Moving all the way across the room. Please photographer or video lighting, and please not stand on the handrail.
Electric Mayhem, we should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What's happening? People.
Scooter?
Hey, what's happening? Rock.
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed. We've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we was late?
But Chef?
Is Pretty Gertie rocking your road? Pretty Gertie rocking your road.
Well, that was kind of a half-baked gag.
I don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The Mayhem will be there.
Good.
Though I have no idea how. Dr. Honeydew?
Oh, excuse us. Beaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced L.I.M.O, actually.
How fast can I get the van here?
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
You got a minute and a half.
Woohoo!
Okay, you should get going.
What about all of them?
You know how we feel about our band.
All right, how about backstage passes for everyone?
I love that idea.
Dude, get moving.
Now sit back and enjoy what I'm sure will be a gentle and relaxing ride to the concert. Or maybe not. Let's patch our faces for the concert. Oh, yeah.
How about we continualize the tempo? Paige Sergeant Pepper, Sergeant Floyd Pepper, care to do the harmonious honor?